Hello students, this is our seventh part of the second lesson, and in the last videos we learned about the Battle of Plassey between Nawab Shiraz-ud-Dowla and British troops, and in this Shiraz-ud-Dowla's army had been defeated by British troop, right? And after that we also learned about the Battle of Buxar, and it was fought in Bihar in the year 1764. And in the Battle of Buxar, Nawab of Ayodhya and Mughal Emperor Shah Alam formed an alliance and ran a campaign. And means this Battle of Buxar, it was between Britishers and the alliance of Mir Qasim, Shizauddaulah and the Mughal Emperor Shah Alam from one side, and from the another side Britishers were there. And in that also there were the Treaty of Allahabad. In the manner the foundation of British rule in India was laid in Bengal. Means in these videos we learn how the Britishers laid their foundation in the region of Bengal province and some other parts. Now we will see about British Mysore struggle, and this is Tipu Sultan. Hyder Ali from Mysore state rebelled and took control of Mysore after the death of Hyder Ali. Hyder Ali, his son Tipu Sultan became the ruler of Mysore. And here in this we have to see Hyder Ali, he formed his own state named as that was Mysore. He was the king, or we can say he was the ruler of Mysore region. But after his death, after the death of Hyder Ali, his son Tipu Sultan, he became a ruler of Mysore. He tried his best to fight against the British, and this Tipu Sultan, after the death of his father Hyder Ali, he tried to fight against Britishers, and he did it very well. But there were the battle between Britishers and Tipu Sultan's army in the year 1799 at Srirangapattanam. At Srirangapattanam there were the battle, and in this battle Tipu Sultan died. Tipu Sultan, Hyder Ali's son, he died in the battle of Srirangapattanam in the year 1799. In the manner the Britishers took control of the Mysore territory. Now these steps will tell us that how the Britishers they did it, how the Britishers one after another the regions they are acquiring or they are taking under their rules. First they took Bengal, then they took the Mysore also, and they killed or the battle at Srirangapattanam in the year 1799. This great person Tipu Sultan died. Now British control over Sindh. To strengthen the British power in India, the English turned their attention towards northwest frontier. Right now, in the last vision, that Mysore has been also acquired or won by Britishers, and now they turn their attention towards Sindh region. Why? Because this is the point from where the Afghanistan, through this region, through the Sindh region, the Afghanistan's army or the Afghanistani trying to come in India, and Britishers has a fear about that. They feared that Russia might attack India through Afghanistan, and hence the English started establishing their influence over Afghanistan. The Britishers has a fear that this Afghanistan, from the way of Afghanistan, the Russian or the Russia can come to India and they will try to establish their rules. So better to acquire this region before the Russians, and they establish their influence in this region. The route towards Afghanistan went through Sindh. The Britishers understood the importance of Sindh and hence captured it in 1843. The Sindh region was captured by Britishers. Why? Because they has a fear about the Russians, about the Russians. Why? Because only the way is there that goes from Sindh region, and they will try to enter through Afghanistan in India from the region Sindh. So Sindh region captured by Britishers in the year 1843. Now, fall of Sikh power. Fall of Sikh power. In the beginning of 19th century, the power in Punjab was in the hands of Ranjit Singh. At the beginning of 19th century, and the power of Punjab region, it was in the hand of Ranjit Singh. He is Ranjit Singh, and he was the ruler of Punjab region at the beginning of 19th century. After the death of Ranjit Singh, his minor son Duleep Singh. Now see, it is the flow chart. First, Ranjit Singh at the beginning. After his death, his son Duleep Singh, he came to the throne, or he became a ruler, or the power of this Punjab region that is now under Duleep Singh's control. On his behalf, his mother Queen Jindan looked after the state affairs but could not keep control over the officers. He was a minor son and he was small in age, Duleep Singh. So on his behalf, his mother Queen Jindan, wife of Ranjit Singh, his mother Queen Jindan, or the mother of Duleep Singh, he looked after the state affairs, but she could not able to control the officers and their internal conflicts. So taking advantage of this situation, the British bribed some of the Sikh Sardar. Bribe means, in the last video I told, in legal money, or illegally they are giving the money, or they are trying to convert them from their side by giving the money. And some of the officers were bribed by the Britishers, or Sikh Sardars bribed by the Britishers. The Sikh community thought that the British will attack Punjab, and hence they launched an attack on the British. In this first Anglo-Sikh war, the Sikh were defeated. Now see, because of the cunningness of these Britishers, they bribed some of the Sikh Sardar, and the Sikh community thought that now these Britishers will attack on Punjab, so we should ready for that, and they launched a mission, or they attacked on the British. And this was the first Anglo-Sikh war, and in this war the Sikhs were defeated by Britishers. But still Duleep Singh remained on the throne. Though they were defeated by the Britishers, still Duleep Singh, the son of Ranjit Singh, he was on the throne of Punjab. But growing impact of British over Punjab was not acceptable to the Sikhs. Now see, though Duleep Singh, he remained